What Venus represents in astrology is your relationships, your partnerships, and the kind of people that you're attracted to and how you interact in your interactions. So Venus placed in Virgo isn't the greatest placement for Venus. This is basically known as, I think it's fall position. So this means that Venus operates not the greatest in the sign. So you can be a little bit critical of the people in your life. You can kind of have certain expectations and certain ways that you want people to be or that you want people to act, and you can enforce this onto them. When people do not react or act the way that you want them to, you can become critical of them. So you kind of have an image in your head of the perfect partner or the perfect person to be with. And obviously you'll never find that perfect person, but what will happen is you'll enter a relationship or relationships with someone or people that obviously do not match that perfect image that you have, because it's going to be impossible for anyone to match that perfect image. So when this person you're with does not match that image, you will criticize them. Now, with Venus in Virgo, you do want practical relationships. You do not want unconventional relationships. You want to know what's happening in your relationship. You want to be fully aware of everything. And you also want to know where you stand. You also want a relationship that will give you the things you need in your day-to-day life in terms of stability and practicality. So you want a partner that you can have a comfortable home life with, and that you can actually do the day-to-day things you want to do with. You do not want a partner who's over the top, who has crazy out there ideas, and who's unstable and flighty. You want a person who's going to be stable, a person who's going to stay there no matter what, through thick and thin. You'll also maybe have a tendency to expect your partner to be quite neat and to be quite punctual. You will get very, very irritated if your partner's untidy and unneat and doesn't clean up after themselves or does not have manners.